Good morning, students. Welcome to online class. This is Max class. Students, let us discuss the previous class homework with answers. First one, Mrs. Raju bought a computer for 32,555 and a refrigerator that was priced 17,345 less than the computer. How much did she pay for the refrigerator? Answer: cost of a refrigerator is equal to 15,210. Second one, subtract 14,758 from 56,789. Answer is 42,031. Third one, light travels at the speed of 30,000 km in 1 second. If it has already traveled 15,342 km, how much more distance is left for the ray of light to travel? Answer: distance left to travel is equal to 14,658 km. Is it clear, children? Students, let us do some mental sums. 100 plus 40 minus 20. Students, find the answer. Students, have you finished? Yes, let us check the answer. Answer is 120. Students, let us do another mental sum. 55 minus 25 plus 10. Find the answer. Students, have you finished? Let us check the answer. Answer is 40. Students, already we learnt that addition and subtraction. Today, we are going to learn about the statement problems on combined addition and subtraction. Example 1. In a beehive, there are 55,299 honeybees. On Monday, 4,684 of them went out in the morning looking for flowers. 3,276 bees went out in the afternoon. How many bees went out looking for flowers on Monday? How many bees did not leave the beehive on Monday? Students, what do you understand from this question? Total number of bees in a beehive is equal to 55,299. Number of bees went out in the morning is 4,684. Okay. Then number of bees went out in the afternoon is 3,276. Step 1. Students, first we are going to find the total number of bees went out on Monday. So first you write number of bees went out in the morning is equal to 4,684. Write the number from right to left. Then write number of bees went out in the afternoon is 3,276. Write the number from right to left. Students, here we have to find total number of bees went out on Monday. So we should add the number of bees went out in the morning and number of bees went out in the afternoon. Add 4 plus 6 is 10. Write 0, carry over 1 to the next place. Then add 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. Write 6, carry over 1 to the next place. Then add 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Then add 4 plus 3 is 7. Now we get the total number of bees went out on Monday is 7960. Students, next we have to find the number of bees did not leave beehive on Monday. So we should subtract the number of bees went out on Monday from number of bees in a beehive. Now write number of bees in a beehive is 55,299. Write the number from right to left. Then write number of bees went out on Monday is equal to 7960. Write the number from right to left. Now we are going to find the number of bees did not leave beehive on Monday. So we should subtract the number of bees went out on Monday from number of bees in a beehive. Is it clear, children? Yes. Now 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. 2 minus 9 we can't subtract. So borrow from nearby places. Then 5 becomes 4 and 2 becomes 12. Now 12 minus 9 is 3. 4 minus 7 we can't subtract. So borrow from nearby places. 5 becomes 4 and 4 becomes 14. Now 14 minus 7 is 7. 4 minus 0 is 4. Yes, now we get number of bees did not leave beehive on Monday is equal to 47,339. Is it clear, children? Example 2. Bhavana had rupees 34,000 in her bank account. During the month, she took out rupees 7,985 and later deposited rupees 3,873. How much money does she have in her account now? Students, what do you understand from this question? Yes, total amount she had in her account is equal to rupees 34,000. Amount she took out from her account is equal to rupees 7,985. Then amount she deposited is equal to rupees 3,873. Okay. Here we have to find the amount she had in her account. Initially she had rupees 34,000. Then she took out rupees 7,985. So we have to subtract the withdraw amount from the initial amount. Step 1, write amount she had, that is 34,000. Write the number from right to left. Then amount she took out is equal to rupees 7,985. Write the number from right to left column wise. Now we have to find the amount she had in her account. So we should subtract the took out amount from the initial amount. Now 0 minus 5 we can't subtract. So we have to borrow from the nearest place. Here the nearest place value is also 0. So we have to borrow from the next place value. The next place value is also 0. So we have to borrow from 1000 place. If we borrow 1 from 1000 place, 1000 place becomes 3. Hundreds place becomes 9. Tens place becomes 9. Ones place becomes 10. Okay, now 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. 3 minus 7 we can't subtract. So borrow from nearby places. 3 becomes 2. In 1000 place 3 becomes 13. Now 13 minus 7 is 6. 2 minus 0 is 2. Now we get amount she had in her account is equal to rupees 26,015. Amount she had in her account is rupees 26,015. Then she deposited the amount rupees 3,873. Here amount she had in her account is equal to rupees 26,015. Write the number from right to left. Then amount she deposited is equal to rupees 3,873. Write the number from right to left. Students, here we have to find the amount she had in her account. So we should add to find the amount she had in her account. Add 5 plus 3 is 8. 1 plus 7 is 8. 0 plus 8 is 8. 6 plus 3 is 9. 2 plus 0 is 2. Now we get amount she had in her account is equal to rupees 29,888. Have you understood, children? Example 3. There are 5,65,000 women, 3,26,000 men and 2,33,000 children in a city. What is the total population of the city? How many more women are there than men? What do you understand from this question? Students, how many women are there? There are 5,65,000 women. Students, how many men are there? Yes, there are 3,26,000 men. Students, how many children are there? Yes, there are 2,33,000 children. Here we have to find the total population of the city. So we should add to find the total population. Yes, now write number of women is equal to 5,65,000. Now write the number from right to left. Then number of men is equal to 3,26,000. Write the number from right to left. Yes, now write number of children is equal to 2,33,000. Write the number from right to left column wise. Now we should add to find the total population. Now add 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Again 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Students, already we know that any number add with 0 we get the 0. Then add 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. Write 4. Carry over 1 to the next place. Then add 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Write 2. Carry over 1 to the next place. Then add 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Now we get the total population is 11,24,000. Is it clear, children? Students, in this question, one more thing we have to find. That is number of women more than men. Here we should subtract the number of men from the number of women. So we have to write number of women is equal to 5,65,000. Write the number from right to left. Then number of men is equal to 3,26,000. Write the number from right to left column wise. Here we should subtract to find the number of women more than men. Yes, 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Again 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 6 we can't subtract, so borrow from the nearby places. 6 becomes 5, 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Now we get number of women more than men is equal to 2,39,000. Have you understood, children? Students, hope you have understood the lesson. Do the given assignment. Thank you, students.